This video we will learn how to find out the standard deviation. Use the following data, find the standard deviation. We have the mean of the observation is 6, summation of the observation is 60, and summation of x square is equal to 1000. Options are being given. We need to find out the correct option. Okay, so we know that standard deviation is simply equal to, that is under root of summation of x square upon n minus summation of x upon n square. Okay, we know this very thing. Now what we are being told, we need to find out n first. So we know that since mean, we know it is mean is equal to summation of the total observations upon the number of observations. Mean is being given as here 6, so 6 will be equal to, so summation of x is 60 upon n. We are supposed to find out the value of n first, so transpose it to here, so n will be equal to 60 upon 6, which gives us the number of observations in this question will be equal to 10. Now using the standard deviation formula, standard deviation will be equal to summation of x square, that is 1000, divided by number of observations, which is 10, minus summation of x upon n. Summation of x upon n is mean, which is being given as 6, so we have 6 square, so we will get 100 minus 36, which is equal to under root of 64, which will be equal to 8 square. Square and root gets cancelled, which gives us 8 as the standard deviation for the given question.